I'm Professor D.K. Panda from the Ohio State University. Together with my colleague, Dr. Amir Safi, we are very happy to bring you this tutorial on scalable big data processing on high performance computing systems to be offered at the Supercomputing 2023. Many of you know we are in a very exciting phase where, in addition to the computing, we are seeing great progress with respect to big data analytics, and big data especially has become one of the important elements in business analytics, and especially the two fields, the HPC and big data, they are converging, and in that context newer popular software frameworks like Dask and Sparks, those are coming up, and in the context of data science they are being very extensively being used. Now, if you take a look at this slide here, you will see the one of the 5 V's of the big data is the velocity. So here it shows like how much data is being generated every minute on the internet. This is the 2021 data. As you can see, massive amounts of data are being generated everywhere on the internet. So then the challenge is, how do we actually process this data efficiently with a good performance and scalability? So in order to process this data, of course, we are having a great growth in terms of the exascale computing systems. Here you can see the top systems like Frontier, Fugaku, Summit, and Lumi. They are scaling very rapidly, and all these systems are being designed with many of the commodity components like multi-core mini-core systems, GPUs, high-performance interconnects like InfiniBand, Slingshot, NVLink, even in the cloud like the EFA. Generic question comes up like how to exploit these HPC systems for scalable big data processing. So you might have questions like, can the popular big data stacks, including Spark, Dask, be executed efficiently on these HPC systems? Can the communication stack for big data frameworks utilize these high performance networks? How the communication stacks look like for big data frameworks? Can MPI libraries, MPI as you know has been very widely used in all the systems for HPC, can they be also utilized for big data frameworks? And then what will be the impact of advanced optimizations and tuning of big data frameworks on application performance? And what MPI features are utilized by big data frameworks currently, and what are the kind of the futures? And especially in general, what big data libraries are available for in the HPC networks, and how is it going to help me, and how do I answer all these questions? We have put together this tutorial where we'll be going over a lot of details, and especially being centered around two common software frameworks. One is called MPI4Spark and the other one is MPI4Dask, which are very widely being used these days to bring or to exploit the features, capabilities of the high performance networks for. So the tutorial outline will be as follows. We'll be starting with a very high level overview of big data analytics, the frameworks, a brief history, what are the kind of the current and future trends for big data ecosystems. Then take you through a little bit of overview of the HPC systems, latest trends, modern interconnects, protocols, and also the MPI standard. And then we'll try to expose you to the Spark ecosystem, their architecture, the components, and how it provides parallel and distributed execution support. And similar things we'll be trying to do also with the. And then after that, we'll expose you to the different kinds of benchmarks and applications used for Spark and Dask. And then we'll be introducing these new frameworks, which are part of a converged software infrastructure, which means that the HPC libraries can actually be used for big data analytics. So in this context, we'll be introducing the two of these, the MPI4Spark and MPI4Dask, and we'll be providing an overview of some of the other related activities taking place in the high performance big data project, my group, and we'll be concluding with open issues. And so in addition to exposing you to the theoretical concepts, we have put together very nice hands-on exercises on the remote HPC clusters. You will have an opportunity to really work on some of the stacks, the MPI4Dask, MPI4Spark. We have these different benchmarks you should be able to directly run and then see how the high performance HPC systems are actually benefiting these kind of frameworks. So please join us. This tutorial will be offered on Monday, the 13th November in the afternoon, and we look forward to seeing you. And if you have any questions between now and the conference, please feel free to send us an email as indicated here. Thank you.